Yeah, I know it's 2025 and your iPhone battery still runs out so fast. It's okay, okay? Me too, I feel the same way. It might be because of the new updates, the iOS 26, everything. You know, the more you update your phone, the more things you are putting on the phone, and those things keep making your battery drain so fast. But it's okay because I'm going to be showing you guys the settings you actually need to make your battery last much more longer in this video. So make sure you stick to the end and let's dive into that. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your settings, and when you get to your settings, you want to go to battery. So when you go to battery, you want to click on battery health and charging, and when you click on charging, you have to make sure the optimized battery charging is always turned on. Never turn it off. Only turn it off whenever you want to travel or whenever you're going on a trip. So make sure it is always turned up to protect your battery long term. So after that, you want to go to settings, you go to general, and when you go to general, you go to background app refresh. So when you get to background app refresh, you want to make sure it is always on Wi-Fi. So you want to click on and make sure it is always on Wi-Fi. So when it is on Wi-Fi, that saves 20 to 30% of your battery. So after that, you want to add to privacy, and when you go to privacy, you want to click on locations and services. So you look for privacy and then you click on location and services, and at location and services, you want to make sure for all your applications, make sure it is on while using the app. So there's a notification that pops up and it asks like, do you want to allow now? Do you want to allow forever, always? So make sure you always click on while using the app for the ones you need daily. So that also saves a lot of your battery storage also. Yeah, so the next one is the low power mode and the dark mode. So you want to click on the brightness and make sure the dark mode is always on. So if the dark mode is always on, the OLED screen on your phone saves more battery, because the OLED screen on the newer iPhones actually consume less power that way. So make sure you're always using dark mode and power and low power mode. So the last one, you want to go to battery, you want to go to the insight. So the insight is where you see the apps that are using most of your battery. So what you can do is you can either delete them or you can limit them, because this shows the amount of the apps that are actually using much more storage. Yeah, that's pretty much it. These small changes really add up. So try them today and let me know how much more battery you are saving after you've tried out everything I told you about in this video. And make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to turn on post notification to get notified whenever I post more videos. Okay, peace out and love.